An explosive increase in server demand has brought alongside it an explosive increase in memory demand, and with that has a ton of new challenges in testing DDR5. Let's take a look at that in this video.
Joe, what is the setup that we have here?
Starting at the top here, I have a triple channel benchtop power supply giving us power to our Aztec fixture set, which allows us both to insert power a DIMM and extract the signal from the DRAM to our Tektronix oscilloscope. Our AWG is being used as the clock source into that same fixture, so our DIMM and DRAM have a reference clock to drive their signal from.
What are we actually measuring in this setup?
In this configuration, I have our DQS signal pulled up on the oscilloscope. The key parameter we're interested in measuring here is going to be the jitter characteristics of this signal, as that's the most difficult aspect to test in DDR5 fixtureized testing. Let's take a look at that in this video. So now that we've had our equipment set up, let's go ahead and go over to our software and make sure that I've selected that grouping of equipment and that I've selected the Tx DQS jitter test. Now I can go ahead and select the run button, which is going to go ahead and kick off the automation and go ahead and give us our measurement results. For the sake of time, I'll go ahead and accelerate to a completed test run. Again, we can see all of our DQS jitter measurements, both DJ and RJ, on the left side of the screen, as well as the measurement results in a tabular format. If I wanted to view this outside of the software in its own dedicated report, I can click the Generate Report button and select a predetermined template specifically for DRAM Tx fixtureized testing. That report, when run fully, will generate, and we can look at an example here to see all of our DQS jitter measurements, all of our DQ jitter measurements, and all of our DQ stressed eye measurements plotted at the bottom as well.
Joe, just for clarification, can we also do RX testing?
Great question. While this particular equipment configuration is aimed at transmitter testing, if we were to leverage an Emritsu BERT rather than the AWG, we could perform the full capabilities needed for receiver testing.
Where can we learn more about DDR5 testing?
You can learn more about DDR5 testing, as well as the rest of our high-speed serial solutions, on Tek.com.